Good day everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video where in today's one we're taking a look at Vinted and I'll be explaining to you guys how can you buy bundles. So let's jump right into it. First of all, open up homepage on your Vinted account and open up the item that you like to buy a bundle on. Now to shop for bundles, you'll scroll down from the item page and click on create a bundle right here. To build a bundle, you will add certain stuff. So for example, here I'm buying books. So I will add all of these. And then once you click on review a bundle, you will see on how much of a discount you get per book. So how much discount in total do you get if you're buying a bundle. So the cost right now, the bundle discount is 5%. So on this purchase, I would get less than 25 cents off. To make an offer or just buy now, you will click on this button and now the checkout process will proceed. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, leave it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.